At Sesame Lane, we want to assure all our educators and families that during the current coronavirus, the health, safety and well-being of our families, staff and children is our utmost priority. You can be assured that we have been preparing and stand ready to act should the need arise. Sesame Lane has always had a range of policies and procedures for these type of situations. We are led by Queensland Health and the Australian Government Department of Health, who are working to manage and contain the impact of the virus. They are regularly updating information and travel advice as new information is released. At Sesame Lane, we will continue to provide information to you in relation to your individual service if required. As always, our teams will continue to uphold and follow a high standard of health and hygiene practices. We ask you to communicate any updates with us in relation to your travel plans or any concerns relating to your child and family's health. We thank you again for your continued support.